Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is a neat little trick. If you have an object that you've drawn, and this outline box is 11.5 points, and if you don't know how to do that, you've got 10 and 12, and if you want it just a hair bigger, you can actually erase all this and type in 11.5. And then click on or check Scale with Object, because now we're going to make this object the same fill, the same outline, pen color, and the same thickness. So click on your item, holding down the alternate plus the E and the M at the same time. You can check all these boxes. So I'm going to check, I want the same pen outline, I want the same outline color, I want the same fill, and press OK. Then you get an arrow and go to the one you want to get it from and click on it. Now both these rectangles are exactly the same color. So if you'd messed around with the color, it's the same thickness of pen and the same color. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.